Some important professions. Teacher. A teacher is a person who teaches us. They help in learning new skills. Teachers are important for shaping the country. Teachers spend most of their life giving education to others. Doctor. A doctor treats people ill. A doctor uses a stethoscope. They are the most important to society. They study medicines and test your body to cure your illness. Nurse. A nurse is a doctor's assistant. She wears a white uniform and puts a cape on her head. She takes care of your medicines. She's very patient and tries to help the patient in all ways. Pilot. A pilot is a man who flies airplanes, helicopters, and jets. Pilots are smart and responsible. Pilots work for commercial airlines, corporations, and governments. The work week of a pilot is 40 hours. Judge. The judge is one who delivers the decision in the court. It is the duty of the judge to decide impartially. The judge examines a witness or evidence very closely. Judges retire at the age of 60. Lawyer. Lawyers fight for justice and honor. A lawyer's job is to go to court to argue a client's case. A lawyer wears a black coat, white shirt, and a white neckband. A lawyer is also known as advocate.